Hi guys, it's William here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video we'll be talking about Voila. This is a tool that is really useful if you are using your web browser all the time and you want ChatGPT kind of assistant along the way where it follows you everywhere you go. And I've talked about Voila in my previous channel. This is a lifetime deal from AppSumo. I don't think you can get a lifetime deal on Voila anywhere else. Let's just quickly talk about what it does. So scrolling down, this is a tool that can simply perform work-related tasks. I would say it's more on the productivity side to use Voila. So it's really good on replying emails or just analyzing a certain web page and then coming up with some sort of summaries or actions. You can see it's integrating with all of the common web browsers. Firefox, Edge, Chrome, Brave. I think they also support Safari now on their website. It's really easy to use. All you have to do is just press Command M, which you'll get this prompt, or Control M if you're on Windows. One of my favorite features from Voila is the Gmail integration, so it can actually help you reply emails very quickly. And I'll do a demo later in this video. So let's quickly look at the plans and what you'll get in Voila. So it's a lifetime access to Voila. You get all the updates on the Ultimate plan updates. So let's just look at their website right now. So in Voila's main website, let's click pricing. So Ultimate is the highest tier on their site. Looks like this is the highest one. This is Premium. I would believe they need to correct this, so it's not the Ultimate plan. If you're getting license tier 1, it's going to be a personal license, 2,000 requests per month. You get the auto AI model. It's a blend of GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. I think this is similar to the premium monthly pricing plan. And then if we look at tier 2, which is going to be unlimited requests per month, and you'll be able to select your AI model and having the personal license as well. Again, if you buy this without AppSumo, then you need to pay $24 a month, and you can select the AI model. So because I've bought the tier 2, I can select the AI model I want to use here. So I can choose GPT 3.5 or GPT 4. So here are some of the features. So it's an extension, browser extension. It can help you craft email, writing blogs. I haven't actually wrote a blog with Voila, but I've done a lot of other work using Voila, like analyzing pages, writing me video scripts. It can do all the spellings, grammar mistakes quickly, translating text, extracting key information from document. But I don't think they would do PDF. If you put a PDF on a web browser, it's not going to help you extract those information. So coming through, this is the founder, Michal. I think that's how you pronounce his name. I think Voila has been here for 3 times. I think there was the first time they were on AppSumo. I think they were on there for a month or 2, then they stopped. Last time, I think either it was AppSumo Day, they were here for like a few days, and they have not come back at all. And today is Black Friday, and it's really good that they're coming back on a Black Friday. But other than that, they don't do any more lifetime deals. So if you're interested in Voila having this Chrome extension on your computer all the time, then it's probably best to pick up at least tier 1, because it's going to help you increase your productivity answering a lot of standard emails from time to time. And if you want to go all in having GPT 4 with this tool, then I will pick up license tier 2. I'll leave the links down below so you can access them. They are affiliated links. It will help this channel a lot if you buy it through me. Alright, we're inside my email right now, and the best way to use Voila in responding email is just looking at one of these emails. So this one, someone's trying to ask me to be an ambassador. So I can click reply and then click on the Voila button right here. And then it will actually summarize the email and say, let's say they want me to do like a video or to become their ambassador. I can just say, I'm interested to learn more, and I can choose the tone. I can be friendly, and then I can say I'm interested to learn more, and then it's going to write this script for me, or in this case an email. So if we're happy with this, I can click copy and insert. If I want this to be something else or regenerate the content, I can click on this to regenerate. And let's say this is good, I can click copy and insert, and then there goes my email to the sender. So very handy tool to use with Voila. And you can always make custom prompts. So for example, I want to create some sort of common prompting saying I'm interested to work with you. Here are the following information. Then you can just highlight those for me in every single email. And so I don't have to find a particular prompt for Voila every time. So if you want to access the custom prompt on Voila, all you have to do is just click on Command M, Control M, and then click on Preference. And then from there, go to Actions. And these are all the custom actions I've set up. So I've created a folder called Email Reply. And then I can say this is going to reject them and consider in future. If we click on Edit, and this is the actual prompt. So this will just say that reply to sender that I'm currently too busy with other projects, which we will not consider their product or service at this stage. And then you can use the output style, which is creative, balanced, precise. You want to put this into a certain categories, so it's easily to be found when you enable Voila when you're replying emails. And this one is just really simple, saying reply them that I'm interested. In return, to make this video, I can get 1 to 2 accounts for my viewers, whether it's on annual subscription. So let's just take this one as my default action. And going back into my Gmail, let me delete this. And then I'll click reply, hit Voila button. I think the improvement I think they would have for Voila is to have custom actions for replying emails. If that's not working, what we can do as a workaround is just highlight all the text here, and then click on Control M, Option M, and I can look for my email reply. This is my custom action button. I can actually make this as a favorite and then click on this and say interest, what's next. Alright, so let's have a look at the script. Hi Ola, thank you for reaching out, considering me for this ambassador. I'm certainly interested in exploring ambassador deal with you, blah blah blah. In return for making a video about your product, I would like to request 1 to 2 account offer my viewers. It'll be great if these could be on a year subscription basis, something like that. So this can be whatever you want to put in. I can put in something like this, and then that goes out to as an email, which is very handy. So a very good way to use Voila inside email would be these custom action buttons. I believe Voila supports the Outlook for web as well. So if you're not a Gmail person, you're an Outlook, a Hotmail person, then that would work as well. If not, then all you have to just click on the Voila button on your browser, or just hit that shortcut Command M, Control M as well. So let's use Voila for other use cases. You can use this to summarize a web page. So let's say I'm inside this website called BGR. I can click on Voila. I can click on this little button saying use current page as the context. Once I click on that, I ask them to summarize this page. So it will just extract the page information and give you what you need. And after that, you can rephrase it, simplify it, shorten it, whatever you want to do with it. Voila can actually do real-time searches on this product. So here we can choose Auto plus Web Access. And I'm going to ask what is the latest price on Tesla share price. So I was going to search the web. Right now is 235.6. So let's just check if Tesla is actually $235. Tesla 235.6 went up 1.3. Then comparing this, that is the latest information. So this is correct, and then this is where the sources came from. So doing online searches with Voila works perfectly. Oh, there's one good point I want to mention is if you buy the license tier 1 and you want to input your own OpenAI API key, that also works as well. So you don't have to get tier 2 for the GPT-4 model. If you have your own OpenAI API key, then you can just actually put in your own API here instead of using or buying tier 2. So that's really up to you. You can change the keyboard shortcut here on the inside the preference of Voila. And probably the last point I want to mention is the chat history. So the last prompt I put in was what's the latest price of Tesla. If I click on this, I can actually continue the discussion or asking further questions. This is a new feature from Voila. In the past, you can only ask once and then it becomes like an archive or an historic message. You couldn't really interact with it, like how ChatGPT, where you have the previous input and the output, and you can continue the discussion. But Voila, they have this as well, but it's just a bit clunky. You have to go back to the chat history because it doesn't operate like an app. It operates as an extension that follows you everywhere you go. And if you like these ones, you can toggle them, bookmark these chats. But Voila is a really great tool. Just jumping back on AppSumo, I think license tier 1 is probably the no-brainer deal you can get. Just $29, you'll get 2,000 requests per month. I don't even think I can go beyond 2,000 a month just using Voila. So yeah, check this out, pick up this tool. It's really useful. I don't think they'll come back unless on these kind of special occasions, AppSumo days or Black Friday. So if you have any questions around Voila, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.